Drug identification can be a matter of life and death. Have you ever wondered what's the difference between two pills that look almost identical, or how to tell if the medication is safe to take? We are going to answer those questions and more in this video. The following are the medications used for the drug identification health game show. These drugs are used for the relief of allergic rhinitis with symptoms such as sneezing, runny or itchy nose, and hives of unknown source. In cases of overdose, activated charcoal or saline laxative may be used. I have spoken about paracetamol in the next scene, so I will talk about metformin here. It is used in managing type 2 diabetes mellitus, particularly in overweight patients. You are likely to experience nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and loss of appetite, but these side effects mostly resolve spontaneously. These medications are used for the relief of headache, joint muscle pains, and reduction of body temperature. An adult cannot take more than 8 tablets in a day, and care should be taken when given to patients who are alcohol dependent. Furosemide is used in managing cardiac edema, ascites due to liver cirrhosis and hypertension. Young athletes misuse this drug in order to cut down weight before sporting events. This has led to underperformance and deafness in some athletes. Glycophovin, on the other hand, is used for treatment of ringworm and athlete's foot. Note that men receiving glycophovin should not father children within 6 months of treatment, and the drug crosses the placenta, so ask your pharmacist for advice before taking it. These drugs look similar in shape and in color, so it is important for you to identify them properly before taking them. These drugs are used in cases of rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and acute gout. Paracetamol is commonly overdosed, with some patients taking as high as 80 mg in a day. It has a half-life of approximately 50 hours, and its duration of action is between 45 and 75 hours. The danger here is that it can cause severe liver and kidney damage due to its prolonged use. It is not used in patients with asthma and active peptic ulcer. This is how we arrange the medications on the table before the game show started. The common problem we face as pharmacists is that some patients go home after not getting the same brand of medication they came to look for. This situation has led to treatment being delayed, disease being worsened, and in some cases, we have had some patients being in critical condition because they did not get the same brand they wanted, so they discontinued treatment. We are also aware that in some cases, the brand must not be changed for some patients. These are some of the reasons this game show was organized. So let's see the rules of the game and how the participants performed.
Because so what kind of they do know the same thing I bear one there. I am Papa not in our own Zago, and I don't do risk because I'm working on us. And before I bought you, I don't know. Sir Ebaha, when they are both in us, Ebaha, yeah, more bad 3 seconds, another 4 and a 5. And a relay me obey. Magasan your time, Nashe. Ishe Bruna, that's all you do, Corona. We are better me. If you are not a group now, your craft abiwa. I'm a dead. Emada, I want you same what you group. Yeah, I the same time. Now should be different one, different as actually. And here we are. We'll be able to buy it. Me na no training na no watch this. But I mean, you better what try. No, I watch it. No one will do why we could do. And see, Sabaha, a do a brewa. You do how you do, you do also you do different. But in the period who makes smart, both say you do kind of do different. The total participants for this game show was 5, and each person had to identify 5 single active ingredient medications. Let's start with Abigail Kumsin as our first participant. Time is up. I didn't see. Okay, different. That's good. Next one. Same or different? Same medication. Well done. Next one. Same or different? They are the same medication. Next one, same or different? She said they are the same. And the last one, same or different? Same medication.
She scored 2 out of 5, representing 40%. But I like the fact that she is patient enough to look at the back of the medication before making a decision. Eunice is the next participant, and her approach is really different from others. Let's watch.
Maybe you're going the same another different. The color, the same shape, so then you. So the same thing another. And the same thing another. All right, well done. Why the same? Okay. All right, thank you. Next one. What's your dynamite? Also, here they say. Also, a different medication. What's the next one? Also, a different. Hey! Madam Eunice, the Henry now is different. Okay. 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 All right. Last one. Why the same another is different? Why different? Okay, so different. I'm the same. All right, congratulations.
Eunice chose the same answer for all the drugs, which is a problem, and one of the reasons this game show was organized. Also, she scored 2 out of 5, which is 40%. Churchill is the next participant. Remember her? She won our maiden health game show for the oral rehydration salt preparation. Check the link on the top right corner of your screen to watch that video.
Next one. Where the same another different. Us in there, it really a difference. And to us, it's in a way, then for 2 minutes. Next one. Why the same another different. Right? Also, now a different. Yeah, for last one. Last one, right? The same another different. All right, also a different.
You know, she scored 3 out of 5, representing 60%. This participant is called Francesca. Just watch how she performed.
Okay, different. Right. The next one. Okay, what time now? Okay, also a different. Next one, last one. Why is the man different? Okay, what's the last one here?
60%, representing 3 out of 5, was Francesca's score. Our last participant is Victoria Hackman.
Okay, that's very different. That's very different. Yeah, next one. What's one the same thing I mean? We just task very different. And the penny is shared about them. First one was very different. Yes, next one. And see. Okay, after the same. Let's see for next one. Why the same? It's another different. Okay, that's very different. Next. Okay, that's very the same medication. Last one there. Same medications. But
She scored 1 out of 5, representing 20%. Now this is the moment of truth. This is how and why we should all learn how to identify drugs and also the correct answers for the game show. Enjoy.
one hour behind you now. First one way. If they do now, somebody identify a bula. Don't hear in the other shade do nature. Session name we are. We are different colors. We put a white tablet, we put a white. That's why I don't hear yellow. And see, you want to bomb do you do? It's what shade do nature. But session do nature. Something we can care. Come over here, you might care. Don't you? But if you can get on the made in India, and what should write the same thing. And the first one with this very first one, if you know the same, or you do tell me a different, but or you do or the same drugs. Second one. It's a way here. And that's a way out. That can know the same. But you do different. Wait, you do different. Number 3. Number 3, we are a para. We are a para. So the same. Even though it's a net, when the attention, we see a test, but the same drugs. Number 4, wait, it will not. It is real for you. But it is true. We're different drugs. We're the same. Then the last one. Wait, it's the media. We're the same thing. So, the color is red. In the red and white, but we're the same thing.
Afterwards, why?
We couldn't just leave without giving our participants something to go home with. Alright, my friends, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. My name is Kofi Boama and I'm a pharmacist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless you.